The iPhone 12 series is out. As usual, all are talking about it, the new looks, the 5G capabilities, Dolby Vision enabled camera for the first time, the amazing display, upgraded processor, etc. The design choice was actually a bit unexpected. The squared off display like the iPad Pro or an inspired display from iPhone 5 series. It's a kind of like iPhone 5 and iPhone 11 had a baby together. Not a bad thing. I personally kind of like it. Well, let's leave all that aside. Hi, this is Sonin from fmjtech.com, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing to it because your support is our energy. No more delays, let's get back to the most important thing in this video. Yes, like you already know, Apple is not shipping up the charging brick with the new iPhone 12 series this time. There are already a lot of upset customers around and a lot of discussions going on about it. Well, some says it's like selling a board without a paddle, and some are totally pissed off about it, and it's quite understandable. Selling a $1,000 phone and you can't even give the damn charger to power? For us too, it was a kind of letdown, but we thought about it for a bit. Why would Apple do that? Do they really want to lose their customers? Absolutely not. Then why did they do that? There are so many possible reasons why they did it, and we would like to say they must be the reasons. The first one is moving towards the wireless charging. Yes, that's it. The iPhone is still keeping the power port and is shipping the cable with the new iPhone 12 series. But we think that with the next upgrade, the power port will be gone. We know it's a kind of inconvenience when we think about it, like during travel. But think, what happened when iPhone ditched the 3.5mm audio jack?
Do you want to know what else it comes with? An audio jack. I'm just saying.
All blamed them, even the Samsung trolled them. But the same guys blamed iPhone, ditched audio jack an year later, and it became a move forward to the wireless technology. Interestingly, Samsung did not mention this while they were trolling Apple this time. As usual, they only mentioned the speed and the 5G factor. Well, Apple is a couple of years behind in that game anyway, but that doesn't matter. 5G is still on trial, so we think this is a warning. And that is probably going to be the future of cell phone charging. So let's move forward to the second reason, and that is the electronic waste. Most of the iPhone users probably have multiple charging blocks laying around in their house, and they're probably good for a few years. The problem is with the new iPhone users, they will have to buy one. So by eliminating the brick, they may be going more nature friendly. While saying this, we don't say that Apple loves nature. That's why they did it? Absolutely not. This is all business. This is their opportunity to sell more wireless chargers and probably more charging bricks. And the people living in Apple ecosystem will pay for it just because it's Apple and they can't leave the Apple comfort zone. And that's fine too, because Apple has many of the good, sometimes perfected devices works well within their ecosystem. Okay, now the third reason, and that will be space saving. Yes, like we said before and like we saw before, the charging port may be gone by next upgrade, same like the audio jack. And they can use that space to crank in new technology because space is always and has always been an issue when it comes to devices with such small form factor like thin bezels. So we think they can use the space for a bigger battery, or a better fingerprint scanner, or who knows, they may have something totally new in their minds. At different points in our life, things has to change to give way to new things, and in the beginning, it may be a bit difficult for us to adapt, same like the audio jack. But think, nobody talks about it now. Same like that, we would like to think this is for something good that's gonna come out in future. It may or may not be Apple that's bringing in the technology, it may be somebody else. So, what do you guys think about the new move from Apple? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing to it and turn on that notification bell to stay updated with us. And here is Soning signing off. See you guys in the next one.